Hello there, the Baofeng UV-5R. I know I'm a bit late to the party with this, but I picked one up because I haven't got anything with 70 centimeters on. I've got a couple of 2-meter radios, but they're quite old, so nothing with 70 sems on. Also thought it might be quite good for when I go out and about, so yeah, just going to show you a quick way of programming repeaters in, well, the quickest way I found anyway. So here we go. Okay, we're on in VFO mode on the top line. I'm just going to program in the frequency we receive the repeater on. So in our case it's 4 3 3 2 5 0. Then we're going menu, and then we're going 27, which is to go to the memory channel. Menu again. Find a blank memory channel, so you don't want it with a CH in front, so there's a blank memory channel. Press menu again. It's got its receiving memory programmed in now. Then we can go menu 13, and that's the CTSS tone. It's already set there for 67 Hertz. Menu, so it's already confirmed. Exit that, and then we want our the transmitting frequency, which in our case is 4 3 4 8 5 0. Then we're going to put that in the memory channel, so it's number memory 27, menu 27 I should say. Press menu again, find our channel 1, press menu, transmitting memory, and it's a transmitting memory. Exit, and we're done. So now if we go into the memory channel mode, memory section, and our top one's already on memory 1. You can just see in that corner. 2 1. So there's 1. So that's what we've just programmed into memory slot 1. So if we go ahead now and see if we can get into the repeater. This is Mike 7 India Victor Yankee, checking repeater access. So there you go, we're in.
Golf Bravo 3 Mike Whiskey repeater.
Okay, looks like there's nobody about, but I'll just show you now a couple of additional things I've found. So I'll just run through those, and then I'll run through it quickly again how to program again. Okay, we're back in VFO mode. I like to keep top line on the 145-500, which is 2-meter calling channel, and the 433 on the bottom line 500, which is the 70 sems calling channel. Just set up basically for simplex. If there's anybody about local, or got it plugged into a external antenna, or if I'm out and about, hopefully pick up somebody on those frequencies. But as we've just programmed in a repeater, and we've programmed in the CTSS tone, that actually stays programmed in, even though we programmed it into the memory. And if we now press the transmit button, and we're on this VFO mode and 2 meters, if you press the transmit button, you see the CT call come up in the corner, which means it's transmitting a CT tone, and obviously we don't want that. So after we've programmed in a repeater and we've finished doing any programming, we really need to turn these off if we're going to use it in VFO mode for simplex. So it's just a case of going back into the menu and then 13, which is the CT tone, menu again, turning that off.
Confirm.
So now when we transmit, we've got no CT tone over the top of that. So just something to watch out for when you've finished programming, and if you use a VFO for sort of just simplex work, if you are listening on those channels, make sure that the things that you've switched on within programming are now switched off before you use that again. If you're just going to use your VFO for programming, for putting into the memories, and you're not going to use a VFO for transmitting on, it doesn't really matter, but I like to leave the VFO settings set so I can use it as simplex and just answer any calls if there's any about. So that's that part. Also, if you need to, if you notice that when we put in a memory, you can't actually write over a memory that's already there. You need to delete it first. So that's basically just going into menu 28. There you can see delete channel. Press memory.
Channel.
If you go up and down, you can delete the channels you want to delete. I'll delete the one we've just put in, which is channel 1. Press menu.
Confirm.
Confirm. So it's deleted it. You notice the CH for the channel has disappeared. So that now is a blank channel. So we can actually use that now. So yeah, just something to keep in mind, that you can't overwrite a channel that's already been written to, a memory I should say. You do need to delete that first before you use that location again. Just something to keep in mind, as well as turning things off if you're going to use the VFO for just simplex work. Okay, so we're just going to quickly run through that again. I've deleted memory position 1, so we're going to put it back into there. So it's our receive is 4 3 3 2 5 0. Menu 27, which is a memory channel location.
Memory channel.
Menu, find a blank channel, this time 001 again. Press menu. Receiving memory. Then we can go menu 13, and that, which is our CT SS tone. We're going to turn that on. 67 hertz again. Menu. Confirmed. Exit. Then we want to put in our transmitting frequency, which is 4 3 4 8 5 0. Menu 27, which is a channel. Menu again to go to the bottom. Find our channel, channel 1. Menu. Transmitting memory. That's it, it's done. So if we go now to the memory channels, they can see number 1 with the frequencies we put in, and we'll try that again. This is M7IVY, checking repeater access. And there you go, we're in. So I hope that's been helpful. I hope you got the gist of that. I've only just worked my way around it as well, so I hope it's helped. And yeah, please subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.
Golf Bravo 3 Mike Whiskey Repeater.